What's up, beautiful people? It's Holar of Texas again, and today I'll be teaching you how I make my pan-seared chicken drumstick. Our ingredients today I'm going to be using my onions, my green onions. I'm going to be using lime. I'm going to be using my bell pepper. I'm going to be using my Knorr. I'm going to be using my drumstick. I'm going to be using oil, garlic. Apart from my garlic, and necessary stuff. Don't forget to hit that notification button and also subscribe to my channel. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my lime to rinse or clean my drumstick. Take your time, just do what you can do. And the most important is you want to make sure our drumstick or our chicken is well rinsed. And one thing that I do immediately is dice my onions. And once I'm done dicing my onions, I put them into my bowl. And the next thing I'm doing right here is rinse my green onions, clean them properly, then just dice them like I did the onions also. Once I'm done with that, next thing I want to do is my habanero also. I like my stuff spicy, so after doing that, I clean my red pepper or my bell pepper also. Take out the seeds out of it because you don't want to cook everything together. Take the seeds out of the red bell pepper, and once I'm done dicing it like I did the rest, I'm gonna put them into my bowl also. There's no need to rush. Just take your time and do what you can do. Once I'm done dicing the bell pepper, I did the same thing also to my green pepper. Take out the seeds also, wash the inside also before dicing them and putting them into my bowl. That's what I'm doing right there. You see what I'm doing right there smoothly. And once you're done with that and you're sure you're done, the next thing you want to do at this point in time is start adding your ingredients like your salts, your salt and all that good stuff. I'm using my lime and my lemon. I just applied that to that. I just applied my Knorr and my lemon to my drumstick. And at this point in time, I'm gonna start adding add a little bit of garlic. Once you're done adding the garlic, add your Knorr also. It's very important to use our Knorr or what kind of Maggi we need. Add my basil leaves also. Apart from my basil leaves, I also add a little bit of salt, which I'm doing right here. And once you're done with the salt, add a little bit of oil also, because you want everything juicy and yummy. So at this point I'm mixing all together. And what I'm going to do right now is let this guy marinate. Add a little bit of oil also, so everything looks juicy also. And once being covered, let it stay for about like an hour to 2 hours. At this point in time, I'm ready to cook it. And what I'm doing right there is adding my drumstick, to my pot. Let that guy cook for a little bit of time. Probably in between, I let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now, once it's done cooking, this is that point in time when I add my chicken to my Sear pan. Add a little bit of oil so your drumstick doesn't stick to the pan, and that's what I did first. And right now, I am adding my drumstick to the Sear pan. Take your time, no rush. Don't let the Sear pan really hot, or just between necessary degrees, but don't let your pan to get too hot. That way your drumstick doesn't stick to the pan. Just take your time. In between it might take about 10 minutes. And while you're doing that, make sure you're flipping your drumstick also, just to verify like it's not sticking to the pan. And look at my drumstick right here. Look at them looking so brown, crispy, looking so good. Oh my god, these guys look so good. Let it, like I told you initially, keep flipping it. Don't let nothing take your attention, but just place your eyes on the pan. Keep flipping it until the drumsticks are brown to your taste. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just taking my time flipping these guys and making sure I like my brown, not that brown, but I like my to some extent brown. I love these guys right here. And once you're sure you're ready, once you're sure you're ready and you're sure it's done to your taste, I literally added a little bit of lemon to it, and just to give it that aftertaste, that lemon taste. And you see this guy right here, that guy looks so good. Thank you so much for what you do towards this channel. Don't forget, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and share. And I will also say subscribe to watch more. Thank you.